Introducing the TOOLTOP ET15S, a cutting-edge 2-in-1 thermal imaging multimeter designed for professionals and serious tech enthusiasts. This device combines a 256 by 192 resolution thermal camera with a high-precision multimeter, making it ideal for HVAC maintenance, underfloor heating leak detection, electronic repairs, and industrial inspections. With a 25 Hz frame rate, the thermal sensor captures real-time heat patterns in crisp detail. And yes, it works simultaneously with multimeter functions, giving you unparalleled diagnostic capability. The multimeter supports up to 19,999 counts, with both manual and auto range, an analog needle display, and DC voltage measurements up to 1,000 volts. It handles voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, temperature, NCV, diode testing, and more. The large 3.5-inch IPS screen displays readings and thermal images clearly, with a resolution of 320 by 480. Choose from 15 vibrant color palettes like rainbow, fusion, and iron red with a simple long press. Want waveform visualization? This tool lets you view multimeter data as live waveforms, helping you catch subtle faults quickly. And for precision electronics work, the optional macro lens lets you capture tiny thermal details, down to 1 mm by 1 mm, perfect for PCB diagnostics and mobile phone repairs. Multilingual support is built in, with 11 languages including English, German, Spanish, Russian, Japanese, and more. Powered by a removable 18,650 lithium battery, the ET15S runs up to 8 hours and charges easily via USB-C. The included 4 GB TF card stores data and thermal images, expandable up to 64 GB. And yes, it supports PC connectivity, so you can analyze thermal readings and data charts with the included software. If you're looking for an all-in-one diagnostic powerhouse, the TOOLTOP ET15S is your new go-to tool.